In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to add colors to tags in ClickUp, so you can visually organize your tasks and spot priorities at a glance without reading a single word. Tags in ClickUp are one of the most underrated features in the entire platform. They let you label tasks across different spaces and lists with a shared vocabulary, and adding color to them transforms a plain text label into an instant visual cue your whole team can read in seconds. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials. And let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign into your ClickUp account. Head to app.clickup.com and enter your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct workspace. ClickUp lets you belong to multiple workspaces, and tags are scoped to a workspace, which means a color you assign to a tag here will appear consistently across every space, folder, and list within it. You'll find the workspace name displayed in the top left corner of the sidebar, and you can switch between workspaces by clicking on it. Now navigate to the space, folder, or list that contains the tasks you want to organize. Think of a space as a department or major project area, a folder as a subdivision within it, and a list as a focused collection of tasks. The exact location doesn't limit your ability to manage tags, since tags live at the workspace level, but it's good practice to work somewhere you already have relevant tasks in view, so you can immediately see your color changes take effect. Once you're in the right location, open any existing task, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. To open a task, simply click its name and the task detail panel will slide open on the right, or it may open in full screen depending on your view settings. This is the window where almost everything about a task lives: its description, assignees, due date, and of course its tags. Scroll through the task detail panel and locate the tags field. It typically appears in the properties section, often near the top alongside other metadata fields. If you don't see it right away, look for a Show More option, as some fields are hidden by default. Click the Tags field to open the tag menu. You'll see any tags already applied to this task, as well as a search bar to find or create tags. To create a brand new tag with a custom color, click the option that reads +Add Tag, or simply start typing the name of your new tag in the search field. As you type, ClickUp will show you existing tags that match. If none do, you'll see an option to create the tag you've typed. Go ahead and enter the name, keeping it short and descriptive. Good tag names are specific enough to be meaningful but broad enough to apply across multiple tasks. Things like client review, high priority, or a department name like marketing. As soon as you finish typing the tag name, a color selection menu appears automatically beneath it. This is where the real power comes in. Browse the available color swatches. ClickUp offers a solid palette of distinct hues. Rather than choosing randomly, think about what the color will communicate. Many teams use red or orange for urgency and risk, green for completed or approved items, blue for in-progress work, and purple or yellow for specific teams or project types. A consistent color language across your workspace is what makes this feature genuinely useful rather than just decorative. Click the color that best fits the purpose of this tag. You'll see a small preview showing what the tag will look like: a colored pill with the tag name inside it. Take a second to confirm it reads clearly and the color feels right in context. When you're satisfied, click Create or simply press Enter on your keyboard, and your new colored tag is saved and applied to the task instantly. Now, if you need to change the color of a tag that already exists, the process is slightly different. You won't do it from inside the task itself. Instead, navigate to the tag management area. In most ClickUp setups, you can access this through the space settings or directly from the tag menu by hovering over an existing tag and looking for an edit option. Locate the tag you want to update, then click the colored circle or color indicator right beside its name. The color picker opens and you can select a new color from the same palette. If ClickUp prompts you to save, confirm the change, and the updated color will propagate across every task in your workspace that uses that tag, which is one of the biggest advantages of centralized tag management. After making your changes, scan a few tasks that use the updated tag to verify the new color is displaying correctly. It should appear immediately, but a quick visual confirmation is always worth 30 seconds of your time, especially if you're working in a shared workspace where teammates are relying on the same visual system. Repeat this process for any additional tags you want to create or recolor. As you build out your tag library, a few best practices will keep things clean over time. First, establish a color convention document. Even a simple note shared with your team explaining what each color means prevents the system from becoming visual noise. Second, assign colors by category, one palette for departments, another for priority levels, another for project phases. Third, schedule a regular tag audit, perhaps once a month, to remove duplicates, retire outdated tags, and make sure the colors still align with how your team actually works. You've now successfully added colors to tags in ClickUp, and you've got a system that does more than just label tasks. It gives your entire workspace a shared visual language that speeds up scanning, filtering, and decision-making for everyone on your team. As a next step, explore ClickUp's filtering and grouping options to sort your task views by tag, so those colors become a powerful navigation tool rather than just decoration. Save this video to come back to any time you're onboarding a new team member or refreshing your tag setup, and I'll see you in the next one.